If your Google TV home screen feels like one giant billboard, this fixes it. Seriously, half the screen is ads, random recommendations, sponsored movies, and stuff you never asked for. But in the next 3 steps, I'll show you how to completely clean up your Google TV home screen without rooting, sideloading weird files, or breaking anything. And honestly, this makes Google TV feel way faster and cleaner. So let's fix it. Go to Apps, Search. Then search for Projectivy Launcher. Yeah, it's spelled weird. Projectivy, not Project TV. You're looking for the orange icon. Install it, then open it. This launcher basically replaces the default Google TV home screen, except without all the giant ads and clutter. And unlike the stock launcher, this one is actually customizable. This is the important step. When you first open Projectivy, it'll ask for a few permissions. Just allow them. Then go into Projectivy Settings, Accessibility Service. Turn on the accessibility option for Projectivy Launcher. After that, go to General, Override Current Launcher. Enable that too. Now press the Home button on your remote. Boom! Instead of opening the ad-filled Google TV screen, you'll now land on your new clean launcher every single time. This is the step most tutorials overcomplicate. But honestly, that's all you need. Now for the fun part. You can make your home screen super minimal. Remove rows you never use, hide apps you don't care about, resize icons, change layouts, even keep only Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or whatever you actually use daily. And here's the best part. Unlike normal Google TV, you decide what appears on the screen, not Google. So instead of opening your TV and seeing ads for random shows, you open it and instantly see your apps. Fast, clean, simple. Exactly how a TV should feel. And that's it. Just a dramatically cleaner Google TV experience. And honestly, once you switch to this launcher, it's hard to go back.